Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Narrated Malik bin Aus al-Hadathan al-Nasri that once Umar bin al-Khattab called him, and while he was sitting with him, his gatekeeper Yarfa came and said, "Will you admit Uthman, Abdurrahman bin Auf, Az-Zubair and Saad bin Abi Waqqas who are waiting for your permission?" Umar Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu said, "Yes, let them come in." After a while, Yarfa came again and said, "Will you admit Ali and Abbas who are asking your permission?" Umar Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu said, "Yes." So when the two entered, Abbas said, "O chief of the believers, judge between me and this Ali." Both of them had a dispute regarding the property of Bani an-Nadir, which Allah had given to his apostle as 5 booty gained without fighting. Ali and Abbas started reproaching each other. The present people, Uthman and his companions, said, "O chief of the believers, give your verdict in their case and relieve each from the other." Umar Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu said, "Wait, I beseech you by Allah, by whose permission both the heaven and the earth stand fast. Do you know that Allah's apostle said, we prophets, our properties are not to be inherited, and whatever we leave is to be spent in charity?" And he said it about himself. Then Uthman and his company said, "He did say it." Umar then turned towards Ali and Abbas and said, "I beseech you both by Allah, do you know that Allah's apostle said this?" They replied in the affirmative. He said, "Now I am talking to you about this matter. Allah the glorified favored his apostle with something of this 5 booty, with one without fighting, which he did not give to anybody else." Allah said, "And what Allah gave to his apostle 5 booty from them, for which you made no expedition with either cavalry or camelry. By Allah gives power to his apostles over whomsoever he will, and Allah is able to do all things." So this property was especially granted to Allah's apostle, but by Allah the Prophet ﷺ neither took it all for himself only, nor deprived you of it, but he gave it to all of you and distributed it amongst you, till only this remained out of it. And from this Allah's apostle used to spend this yearly maintenance for his family, and whatever used to remain he used to spend in where Allah's property is spent, in charity. Allah's apostle kept on acting like that during all his life. Then he died, and Abu Bakr Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu said, "I am the successor of Allah's apostle." So he, Abu Bakr Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu, took charge of this property and disposed of it in the same manner as Allah's apostle used to do, and all of you at that time knew all about it. Then Umar Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu turned towards Ali and Abbas and said, "You both remember that Abu Bakr Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu disposed of it in the way you have described. Allah knows that in that matter he was sincere, pious, rightly guided, and the follower of the right." Then Allah caused Abu Bakr Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu to die, and I said, "I am the successor of Allah's apostle and Abu Bakr Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu." So I kept this property in my possession for the first 2 years of my rule, caliphate, and I used to dispose of it in the same was Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Abu Bakr Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu used to do. And Allah knows that I have been sincere, pious, rightly guided on the followers of the right in this matter. Later on, both of you, Ali and Abbas, came to me, and the claim of you both was one of the same. O Abbas, you also came to me, so I told you both that Allah's apostle said, our property is not inherited, but whatever we leave is to be given in charity. Then when I thought that I should be better hand over this property to you both, or the condition that you will promise and pledge before Allah that you will dispose it of in the same way as Allah's apostle and Abu Bakr Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu did, and as I have done since the beginning of my caliphate, or else you should not speak to me about it. So both of you said to me, hand it over to us on the condition, and on this condition I handed it over to you. Do you want me now to give a decision other than that decision by Allah, with whose permission both the sky and the earth stand fast? I will never give any decision other than the decision till the last art is established. But if you are unable to manage the property, then return it to me, and I will manage on your behalf." Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 4033.